everyone, we're here for another unboxing. As you can tell from the title, it is a 3D printer that I just got. Let's see, I bought it from Best Buy online. It is a Vinci Nano by XYZ Printing. Here is the box that we have to open. There's some images that I guess somebody's printed up before. So here, we're going to just put this down on the ground, make it a little easier for cutting it open. So hopefully with this, I'll be able to do some good 3D printing for cross comics. So we have got it open now, the top. Let's see what we have in here. We have the quick start guide. Some other stuff that we'll probably need to get things set up. A scraper to scrape things off, to get underneath for things that are on the bed. We have the dome, the top. Cords. Always need cords, right? So here it is, styrofoam. Take the styrofoam off. The bag. So there's something underneath there. There is it. Of course, I'll put it down over here. Gotta take all this blue thing that was on the bottom was our spool of whatchamacallit, filament. And it looks to be blue. I was hoping for white, at least. But, it is what it is, right, folks? So let's take off this blue tape and such. More blue tape. Blue, blue, blue. On the box it says there's 120 millimeters area printed. That's approximately 12 centimeters. I don't know what that converts to in inches. Probably while I'm doing stuff here, showing it, recording it being done. There's the inside of it at the moment. There's some more blue tape here and stuff. More wires. They certainly make it hard to. There's that thing on the wall of this for the blue tape to grab it with. There we Then there's a second one. Okay, so in here there's a little box. You know what? Instead of trying to fight, pull the blue tape. Okay, so again, something I don't know what it is exactly or where it goes. Take it out of the plastic to show you guys better. I think it might have to do with a fan or plastic. Oh no, this is the nozzle. So okay, so there's a couple foam things, white foam here that you see. This one at the back, there's a piece of blue tape on it. But I do believe we are going to have to consult our guide. There's inside it, as you can see. I'm just got to get that other piece of foam at the back out. There, that's out. Okay, so we've got a lot of stuff done already, taken off. So we're going to have a quick look at the guide here for setup. It's taking all the tape off and stuff like that. Here's where we are. Okay, so got some yellow tape at the back here, or blue tape. Okay, so I think I'm gonna stop the camera here for a few minutes, and we're gonna figure this all out, and we'll come back and we'll show it all, at least set up with everything on it, and then we'll stop the tape after that, and we'll get something ready to print, and I'll be able to just hopefully hit print, and I will film it and print it. Hopefully it will print with the door up, that way you guys can see what is being done in there for the printing. I don't know, it's a bit foggy. So okay, we'll be back in a few minutes, but it'll only be a few seconds for you. So we are back. We have it all put together, installed. We're just getting the filament here. As you can see, I'm recording the filament going through the tube slowly but surely. It's going to end up in the thing, and we will have our first little bit of filament string as we see it come in here in a second or two. This is so exciting. My first 3D printer. There it is. You see, it's really going. Although this has been sped up several, a lot. So, but it's great to see this. Finally, have a 3D printer. There's a lot going to be able to do with it. Hopefully, and it's just going to be great to have it. And then in a sec here, you'll be see it printing up the first little thing. There's a little bit of string, filament string that I printed. Now, it's going to start here to print a very small version of the Canadian Shield's emblem without the maple leaf. And unfortunately, it's in blue. That's what the filament that came with this is. I'm obviously going to probably get something, and I know I don't really got a steady hand here. And I'm trying to see underneath there because at first I'm not sure whether it's doing anything. Because this one that I did was really, really small, and I know my hand is not steady, or I've got all kinds of ideas of what to do. But you know, eventually, you will see this. This is going for a minute. It's just, it was really exciting to see this done with my first 3D printer. Hopefully, you'll eventually be able to see. Well, you will eventually be able to see. There is some blue. There is some of it. You just saw it for a sec. There's more. Wow, this is going good. And it's gonna. It's a little bit. It was a little bit hard to get off the bed, but I got it off as you'll see when I show it to you and say. So um I can't wait to hear what you people have to say. Remember to like this video and share it out. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. This is fantastic to see this being done, having my first 3D printer. Now it's just getting a few different um, filaments. And there we have the last piece. Now it's me going to be trying to get it out. But that will happen. So, and here's going to be me getting it out in a second and saying something about it. So, catch you later. We'll catch you later. This was supposed to make it so it didn't stick. Maybe it's the stuff not quite so tiny. Let's try the other way, maybe. Too. Oh, there we go. So there we go. Our first print. It's supposed to be the Canadian Shield emblem. I probably don't have the. I don't think I have the maple leaf on. I'll have to redo it and put the maple leaf on. It's in blue though, but it's something. So there you go, guys. Open to finish. I'm not talking here before I'm done. I might have sped some parts up. I don't know, but I did talk to them, so we'll see what we do. Okay, so that's it, and I'm liking it so far. I just got to get some other color filaments.